Hey everybody, I thought I'd just bring you out here to the garden and everything. Sorry, there's a road right here if you hear any noise. And I want to show you around the garden, and I want to plant some more zinnia seeds. Like, I was told you can plant zinnia seeds now and they will grow. Like, they grow pretty fast, and we're supposed to get rain tonight and everything. So, yeah, let's go plant the zinnias. Okay, guys, I'm gonna plant it right here in between my snapdragons. Right here, I gotta pull weeds. I should go and get my gloves, but man, I'll be okay. What is? I thought that was a snapdragon. I never grew snapdragons before. Have you guys ever grew one? They're leaning over. Okay, I got this spot clean, but I don't think that would be a good spot because all right here is snapdragons, and I was gonna plant it like right here, but I don't know where they get enough sun. All snapdragons. What can I plant with? Okay, guys, I know where I can plant my snapdragons. Where I put in weeds won't be a good spot. I think behind my shed would be a good spot next to the corn. Let me show you. I think right here would be good next to the corn. Right here is the corn. Let me set everything up. Make this go down. Bugs trying to get me. I just gotta pull weeds. Yeah, right here is the corn, and I think the zinnias will look good right here, because back here gets a lot of sun. My allergies are gonna be crazy. There's a stick. I should really go and get some gloves, but digging in the ground is good for you. Okay, I'm just going to broadcast the seeds after I get this. And it's supposed to rain, like I said. Today we're supposed to get some storms. The news people said we're supposed to get some bad storms. Okay, hold on, y'all. You probably saying, I wish he'd come on and plant. I think I'm just gonna put the whole packet. It's like a California mix, and here's the instruction. I know my hands and stuff is dirty, but it's okay. Oh shoot. I wasn't trying to rip it like that. But, oh well. Man, okay. Here's the seeds. I probably will have to maybe thin them out. Just gonna go like this. Smash them in. So when we get some heavy rain, they will be protected. Okay. So it will take about six to 10 days to germinate. Okay, have you guys ever grew zinnias before? I gotta wash my hands. Ugh. Okay, if you wanna grow zinnias, go to like maybe Dollar Tree, Dollar General, or maybe Walmart, cause they have seeds there for 50 cents. I bought some gourds and what else did I buy? Gourds and it was a gourd and something else. It's on my TikTok. By the time this video is out, you will already seen it. But yeah, zinnias is a cut flower, and more you cut, more they will put out. I'm about to show you my cosmos and my zinnia and black-eyed Susan patch. I did have some snapdragons over there, but I think they might have died, which there's still some over there. But yeah, right here is my tomatoes. I want to show you some of my tomatoes and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna look. Ain't that beautiful? That's on my Instagram, Tyler Savage 577, if you want to go to Instagram and follow me. But yeah, ain't that beautiful? I just love sunflowers, but let me show you. Okay, here is my cosmos. See, that's what cosmos look like. This is all cosmos. My zinnias, that's what they look like. This is the cactus kind, or this is the cactus kind. I can't remember. Here's another one I need to cut, and I'm about to show you over there. Okay, this is one of my favorites so far right here, and I've been trying to get a green one growing since last year. I'm going to save seeds. My black-eyed Susans is right here. My friend got this off of Amazon for me. She watched my YouTube video. She knows who she is. My marigolds. And here is my Big Daddy tomato. I got tomatoes everywhere growing. Up there, there's some where you guys can't see, but there's some up in here. And I have tomatoes right here growing. Being full of like a whole bunch, I couldn't think of the word. Here's another tomato. This is supposed to be a bush variety. To show you my container garden, which This tomato I'm about to show you, it's kind of got some issues. Here it is. But yeah, it's almost got a ripe tomato, if you can see. I can't wait. My green beans, my strawberries, I got some growing. My basil, pepper, that's got wind damage. That's my raspberry plant I got on clearance for $5. Bell pepper, cucumber. Oh yes, a cucumber is growing. Yes, and I'm about to show you my giant pumpkin growing, and another bell pepper. Ooh, I'm gonna have to pick this. Yeah, I'm going to pick this because it's feeling soft. Put that in my pocket. Okay, now to my giant pumpkin. I never grew a giant pumpkin before, so I almost fell with my my tripod. Yeah, but I never grew a giant pumpkin before, but I'm going to show. Hey, here's my giant pumpkin. See how big it is? Yeah. Doing amazing. Yeah, almost tripped, but I hope you guys are enjoying this little vlog. I'm planning on doing a birthday vlog. Oh, you can see behind me some storms is coming. Hold on, how do I move this? Ooh. But okay, y'all, I feel like this is crooked. But I hope you guys liked hanging out with me in the garden, and I was showing you some stuff, and we planted some zinnias over by the corn, and a storm, like I said, is coming. As you can see behind me, we've been getting like a lot of rain. Have you guys been getting all kinds of like thunderstorms and rain where you live at? Our weather this year has been crazy, but I hope you guys enjoyed my little garden vlog, and remember, you guys are amazing. Oh, that breeze feels good, and I'll see you in the next video.